Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is your loving general reading. This is for anybody that is watching this video right now. You could be somebody who has Libra in your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter signs, or you could be a cross watcher with a complete difference in sign, but you are drawn to this video. If you're drawn to this video and your heart says yes, this reading is for you, then this reading is for you. You may have a message. All right, so keep in mind guys, if you're a cross watcher, you can switch the energies and reverse the roles if needed. All right, so guys, keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Do not try to fit in if it's not your reading. Okay, so let's see Libra, what do we have in store for you? We will see your energy, your person's energy, and what's coming up for you in your love life. Yeah, we'll see that. All right, so let's see Libra, what do we have in store for my Libras? This is bottom of the deck, Libra. That is a 6 of Swords. Okay, Libra, I feel that you guys are worried, thinking about a situation, thinking about this person you were dealing with. This person has been juggling you with somebody else. Like, you're dealing with somebody who has choices. This person definitely has choices. This person never gave you the clarity that you seek. Like, you could be seeking clarity from this person, but this person had options. They were juggling you with somebody else. They were not very sure about you. All right, as far as your present situation is concerned, Libra, you are not happy, you are stuck, you don't know what to do. Some of you, you're going through depression, like you're literally having sleepless nights, you don't know the way forward, you're confused. You want this relationship to work, like somehow you're not willing to give up on this relationship. You still have hopes that this relationship will work out. Like, this is like your biggest wish, your biggest desire is that this relationship works out for you. All right, as far as your person is concerned, this person is confused. This person, you know what, you both are divinely guided. You are in a divinely guided connection, Libra. You both have come together with the divine will. So we will see. Oh my god, right when I said divine will, this person is coming back to you, Libra. Okay, I think this person is going to choose you. They have chosen you already. This person is going to choose you now. We have the Two of Cups. They have made a choice. Page of Pentacles again. For some of you, you're dealing with somebody who could be immature. Okay, maybe you're dealing with someone who is immature, or this person is somebody who some of you are dealing with somebody who was deriving some sort of benefits from you, Libra. Okay, maybe you were with someone who was deriving some sort of benefits. Now this was mutual, it's not just them, maybe you too. So like, this relationship, when it started, I don't say that there was no love. There was love, but more like friends with benefits kind of energy. Okay, that is what I see. Like, you were deriving some sort of benefits from them, they were deriving some sort of benefits from you. Okay, now this is for some of you. So this was the case when it started, but I think things are getting more serious now. So serious that this person, as I said, this person has chosen you. Some of you, you're dealing with somebody who was in some other relationship already when you met them. Now this person is trying to get out of that relationship to be with you. They are going to leave somebody else to be with you, Libra. This is what is coming. Like, yes, this is what is coming. For some of you, I feel that you are involved with somebody who is focused in career, like their primary focus is work, which is why this person is ignoring you or they are not paying attention. All right, this person is ignoring you because they are focused on work, their priority is work. Yeah, we have the nine of, okay, I'll take all these three cards together. We have the Nine of Wands, the Lovers, and the Devil. Libra, you are in a very strong divine connection. You're dealing with somebody who is highly possessive about you. This person doesn't trust you. They have doubts. Some of you, you are dealing with somebody who has been hurt in the past, like they have been bruised, or they are somebody who has been cheated in the past. Like, now this could be your energy too. You don't trust your person, like you don't trust. Now this could be you also, Libra. Like there are trust issues in this relationship. Like maybe you don't trust them, they don't trust you. Trust issues is there. This person is spying on you. They are keeping a watch on you, Libra. Heavy spying is on you. We have the Page of Swords here, Queen of Swords. This person has doubts on you. Okay, we have the Nine of Wands also. This person could be spying on you. Okay, heavy spying is involved. They keep a check on your social media. Who do you talk to? Maybe this person talks to your friends to get to know about you. That could be the thing. You're dealing with somebody who is highly possessive, controlling. They are attached to you. All right, this is one more. Right when I said King of Cups, you're dealing with somebody who is very emotional. Okay, some of you, maybe, as I said, you are involved with somebody who is stuck in a situation. Now this could be in a karmic situation. They are already married, they are already in some other relationship. This person is somebody who is trying to get out of that relationship. They have chosen you. I told you, this person has chosen you and they are coming back to you. All right, oh my God, Strength. You're being asked to be patient, Libra. Some of you, you're broken internally, you're stressed over the situation, you cry at times, you miss this person, you don't know the way forward. You're being asked to be patient. Okay, patience is the key, Libra. You're being asked to be patient. This person is coming back to you. Whoever you're dealing with, I don't know, they are in some other situation. This person is going to get out of that relationship to be with you. Like there is a karmic that is heading towards an end. This person will leave a karmic and then be with you. So maybe you guys are being asked to be patient. All right, look at this. We have the Hierophant here, marriage. This is, you both are divinely guided towards each other. You both have come in each other's life for a purpose. All right, and that will be sought. So you both are coming back together, Libra. Yeah, Libra, we'll see some love messages for you. All right, please give me a message. You bring me to the knees. I never thought I could feel this way for anybody. Look at this. Your person's feelings towards you. Didn't I say this person has immense love for you, Libra? Whoever you're dealing with, this person has immense love for you. This is what you do to them. Let me see one more message for you, Libra. Journey, travel. Some of you, you're going to travel very soon. Maybe this could be a vacation with this person. You may be traveling. You both may plan a trip, or you could travel with this person soon. Swear to God, I'll put a ring on it. Oh my God. Whoever you're dealing with, this person wants to marry you. Libra, this person wants to marry you. They are going to come and marry you. I told you this person is going to leave a third party for you. You feel things are over. Yes, some of you feel that you both are falling out of love, but things are going to get revived very soon. Okay, I see things getting revived between both of you. My God, this is beautiful. Someone wants to marry you. Look at this, Hierophant and marriage. This person is very serious for you, Libra. They want to marry you. Okay. Yeah. So let me see if I have any message for my Libra from here. It's time to release negativity. Some of you are thinking negative nowadays. Lot of negative thoughts. Look at this, 9 of Swords, Queen of Swords. We have the Devil here, 9 of Wands here. You're stuck with negativity. Stay away from negative people in your life. There is somebody around you who tries to demotivate you, who tries to put you down. This could be a family member, a friend, a relative. Somebody in your family is trying to put you down. Somebody tries to tell you what to do, what not to do. They try to dominate you. They try to put you down in various ways. Could be different for different of you, but you're being asked to stay away from such people and don't think negative. As far as this connection is concerned, don't think negative. Release whatever is weighing you down, Libra. That's the message here. Okay, any other message for my Libra? Okay, this card, I think. Yeah, adjustments are required. Some of you are being asked to adjust, like you are being asked to compromise in this relationship. You are with somebody, Libra, you need to compromise. Okay, a lot of compromise and adjustments are required in this relationship, so you're being asked to do that. All right, this is a strong commitment provided you both work towards it. So this is for you. You're being asked to adjust in this situation. All right, anything else for my Libra? You and your loved ones are safe. You both are safe. Your family is safe. Some of you, you're worried about your family, your health. You're worried about somebody in your family, like you worry a lot about health, etc., etc. This message is like you're being protected. Your divine angels, whoever you have been praying to, they are protecting you. You're safe, you're protected. Okay, so don't worry. You're worrying a lot about some things, Libra. Just released all that negativity around you. Your dreams need a practical plan. Some of you have some high dreams, high goals. You're being asked to work towards it. Like make a practical plan and then go forward towards it. Like you have a lot of dreams, but you don't know, you're not ready to take the first step. Like you want to do this, this, this. You want to do too many things at the same time. You're being asked to focus on only one thing. Don't divert your mind. Focus only one thing and then jump into that. Okay, so don't divert your mind. Be practical. You cannot do all the things at a time. Focus one goal, one plan, and put all your efforts towards that one direction. Don't divert. If you get confused, universe will not know how to take you towards success, because you have to be good at one thing. You cannot be good at 5 things or 2 things, Libra. So focus on just one thing. Okay, focus on one thing and then stick to it right till the end, till you get success. That's the message. All right, so that was that, my Libras. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and thank you so much, you guys. Thanks for watching. You guys take care, be safe, bye.